Carter's. It's a shrimp boil. Be happy summer to you. We're all in quarantine still, so this is a cheaper seafood boil, a shrimp boil, and you'll love it just the same. So let's quickly get into it and be on our way. It's gonna be fantastic. Whose recipe this is? Short stovetop kisses recipe. We use turkey sausage here in the Carter house. Here at the Carter house. I let these potatoes go in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes just to soften them enough to cut them. Here at Carter's Eat, we do lots of family vlogs. Cook with me, eat with me. All the reaction videos, singing sensation, and hair vlogs have now gone to Miss Carter's. Link is in the description box. Carter. For the sake of robustness, we are. See that? Goodness. All that goodness. There's mine. I'm going to have to get a bigger bowl. You want your ranch dressing. Live with us, so I don't want to use too many spices. Not too many. And I'm gonna toss again. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Got shrimp, potato. Oh, you could just smell it. Yes! And 3 halves. There's your boil. There it is. There you go. In 20 minutes.
Here. So good.
There it is, fam. We're just gonna add a smidget. You can see the garlic. And there you have it, family. It is ready. Your shrimp up. Woo! There you have it. Oven shrimp boil. Come get some. Quick, affordable, quarantine cooking on a budget. Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on
prize money supersized. G5 super fly should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough, champagne.